So right now is a provincial. Is a suggestion also. That time he was a brother. He was not ordained. So recently when we met him, our batch gathering, there is a time he took charge as a provincial of North, I think, Northeast. Sorry, Don Bosco provincial is the provincial. So there's a women were being sent. So here is a